In this video, we will be introducing the Ball Honeybee Keepsake Mason Jars. These jars are not just your regular mason jars, they are crafted with love and a touch of nature. The Ball Honeybee Keepsake Mason Jars are embossed with a beautiful bee and honeycomb design, paying homage to the important role honeybees play in the pollination process. Made from 80% glass and 20% tin, these versatile mason jars can be used in a variety of ways. Whether you're canning, crafting, decorating, or simply using them as drinkware or storage, these jars are perfect for all your needs. The regular mouth design of these jars is specifically ideal for preserving jams, jellies, salsas, and more. One important note is that the Ball Honeybee Keepsake Mason Jars are BPA-free and proudly made in the USA. The set includes 6 pint-sized, 16 ounces, jars, each coming with their respective lids and bands. These jars are not only functional but also add a touch of charm to any kitchen or space. Furthermore, it's important to note that these products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the US. If you plan to use these internationally, please check compatibility and ensure you have the appropriate adapters or converters. Now, let's dive into a more detailed description of these beautiful mason jars. The Ball Honeybee Keepsake Mason Jars are designed to celebrate the importance of pollinators in our food growing process. With their bee and honeycomb embossed design, these jars are a collector's edition item that showcases the beauty of nature. Crafters and decorators will love the endless possibilities that these jars offer. They can be used for creating stunning centerpieces, holding flowers, or even as candle holders. Additionally, these jars are perfect for preserving your favorite jams, jellies, and salsas. The tight seal provided by the sure-tight lids and bands ensures that your preserved goods stay fresh for up to 18 months, when used according to food preservation instructions. Not only are these jars practical, but they also make for perfect drinkware. Imagine sipping your favorite beverage from a jar adorned with cute bee designs. It's definitely a conversation starter. The Ball Honeybee Keepsake Mason Jars have received excellent reviews from customers. With an average rating of 4.9 out of 5 stars, it's clear that these jars have caught the attention of many. They are currently ranked number 7,739 in the kitchen and dining category on Amazon, and number 49 in canning jars. If you're looking for a unique and versatile mason jar, the Ball Honeybee Keepsake Mason Jars are the perfect choice. Get yours today and enjoy the beauty and functionality these jars bring to your home. Don't miss out on this limited edition item. Thank you for watching this video introducing the Ball Honeybee Keepsake Mason Jars. We hope you found this information helpful in making your purchase decision.